Hi everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Renowned for its sweet and delectable meat, these creatures are treasures of the sea. Found in the pristine waters of the Sea of Japan, Korea, and the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean, red snow crabs have captivated seafood enthusiasts for generations. But what makes these crabs truly special? Well, it's not just their taste, it's also their rarity. You see, red snow crabs are notoriously elusive, making them a prize catch for fishermen. Ever wonder how these magnificent creatures are processed in the factory? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. The journey begins as red snow crabs are brought to the factory from fishing boats or fish farms. These crustaceans are carefully transported to ensure their freshness remains intact. Upon arrival, the first step is to assess the quality of the crabs. Damaged or poor quality specimens are promptly removed, leaving behind only the finest crabs. The remaining ones are then sorted according to their size. Before further processing, the crab undergoes a thorough washing process. This step involves cleansing them of dirt, sand, and any other foreign substances that might cling to their shells. Next, specialized sorting machines come into play. These machines efficiently separate the crab legs and claws from the body, streamlining the processing line. Once sorted, the crab bodies are ready for cooking. This crucial step typically involves steaming or bathing the crabs in hot water, ensuring that they are cooked to perfection. Following cooking, the crab legs undergo another round of washing to remove any lingering dirt and bacteria. High-pressure water and disinfectant solutions are commonly employed for this purpose. After washing, the crab legs are cooked and then cooled in a cold water bath or cooling tunnel. This not only enhances their flavor, but also extends their shelf life. Depending on the facility, the legs may be packaged as is or further processed. In some factories, the meat is separated from the crab legs using automatic sorting machines. The extracted meat is meticulously cleaned and placed in plastic containers, ready for freezing. The crab meat, along with other parts of the crab, undergo freezing and shaping processes before being stored in warehouses. These frozen treasures are kept at optimal temperatures until they are ready to be shipped to customers upon order. Red snow crab meat is not only a delectable treat, but also a nutritional powerhouse. Rich in protein, it plays a vital role in muscle development and repair. These crabs are at their peak during the winter months, particularly from December to March, making them a sought-after delicacy during this time. Frozen crab meat is stored in warehouses and shipped to customers upon order. In conclusion, the journey of red snow crabs from the sea to the market involves a meticulous and precise process. From quality checks to cooking, cleaning, and packaging, each step is crucial in ensuring that these marine delights reach consumers in their freshest and most flavorful state. So, the next time you indulge in a serving of red snow crab, remember the fascinating journey it took to grace your plate with its exquisite taste.